Hello YouTube, this is Bassman channel. Today we are going to have a special unboxing of a new amplifier. This is the model. This is Magnat MA 900, the black color. Double box. The amplifier is heavy enough, not extremely heavy. It's near 14 kilos. Okay. Okay, now let's see what's included. The remote control and the manual, power cable, I'll take off these protectors. And now we open the amplifier. This is the front side. As we can see, it has volume control, very nice feeling. The source selector, headphone output, power button, line in for source, balance, bass, mid, treble, and source direct button. It has 3-band equalizer. Now I will turn it up. I will turn it from the back side to see the connections. It is quite heavy unit. It seems very well made. This is the back side. Here is the phono stage. MC inputs, MM inputs, ground, the USB, unfortunately only for update. This is the DAC section, the digital section, digital inputs, optical inputs 2, coaxial inputs 2, Bluetooth, and these are 5 sets of analog inputs. They are already named from behind, but you can also, according to the manufacturer, change the name that is shown on the front OLED screen. Speaker connectors, turn on, turn off button, and cable connector for power. Now, this is the power cable. Let's see the remote control for a little while. The remote control has some extra buttons and functions. This is the loudness. This is the remote control, as we can see. Simple, not very heavy, plastic, well made. Source, volume, This is the loudness button, where it's not at the front plate of the amplifier, but you can use it only from the remote control. Mute button, source, select, turn on, turn off and standby. Well, something last I want to show you is a very beautiful OLED screen, and this is where there are the tubes of the preamp states. Let's turn it on for the first time just to see how the tubes work and see the initial 30-second, according to the manufacturer, warm-up function. Okay, this is its first turn on. Yes, it just turned on. Let's see the tubes that they are warming up. Warm up has started. It needs 30 seconds, so the tubes have very good warming and be ready to play. As you can see, there is a LED display at the left, where you can see how well it looks, the settings. Now the warm-up is almost ready to complete. Let's see the tubes in the dark. Yes, it's ready. Let's see the tubes from close. They are ready and warm to play. Our volume digitally changing, not R to R or something else volume control. We see the dB gaining at the right. Very nice, solid made. We will use it and we will come back with a review as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you like, subscribe.